Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check plagiarism for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for the Plagiarism Checker, and there will be a lot of websites you can use to check the plagiarism, but I recommend you to select this one, duplicchecker.com. After you have found this website, you can open it and you have to upload your file to this website. You can click on choose file and you're going to select the file from your computer. Okay, just like this, and wait for a moment until the file is uploaded. Okay, and now the file has been uploaded, and we can scroll down and you can check on this option and click on check plagiarism. All right. And now it's still processing. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the result. As you can see that my file is free from plagiarism. Alright guys, so that's all the way to track plagiarism for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.